how do we understand the hadith? A house without dates is hungry. Should we always have dates in the house?
I think we've explained this hadith before. We talked about it. بيت ليس فيه تمر أهله جياع. That the dates is barakah. Number two, the dates is the thing that you sunnah to break your fast with. The date is that you start making even the baby come out. When he comes out, first thing you make him to choose a bit of date and put it in his mouth, make him to strengthen his suckling from his mother, and also the first thing to penetrate his stomach. The dates is barakah in itself. So when it says ahlu jiya, it means in general. It doesn't mean that if you don't have dates in the house, oh, I'm going to be hungry. No. But it means you should have the dates all the time. In case, if you don't have anything, you could, have dates. The Iraqi people, when they had the sanction, the blockade around him for how many, 10 years, they said, well, have dates. You could live for 100 years. Dates. The dates is, enough. By the way, it's a meal in itself, subhanAllah, the dates. Meal in itself. But the Prophet of Allah, so many times, he had no dates. Nothing except for the water. Not even the dates. So many times he will have just the word, al-aswadan, al-ma'u wa-tam. Dates and water. So it doesn't mean that, but it is better to have dates. It's like a medicine is always there on top of your shelf. Now, I know that some people, they don't like the dates. Please, make your dislike to the taste of that date that you've tasted, not to the whole of the dates. Because the dates are, some of them you can't resist. Oh. It reminded me now with the half, which is called rotab. Half yellow, half brown, and really coming from the freezer. And you're hot now, you can eat it from this. I mean, I could live on that. This is my meal.